We're going to talk about vaginal bleeding, signs and symptoms, because when I read extreme fatigue, weakness, especially with that much bleeding, she's likely anemic. And when you're anemic, you're going to be tired, you're going to be weak, you're not going to feel yourself, you're going to be sluggish. Some people get short of breath. There are certain signs and symptoms that typically occur when you're severely anemic, because our bodies are great. Our bodies can deal with levels of anemia that it really should not be able to deal with, but it can until it cannot. I say this all the time when I'm talking about high blood pressure. Our bodies can deal with high blood pressure for a really, really long time until it can't. And once it can't, guess what happens? You have a stroke, you have a heart attack. So she was having profuse, intense bleeding, pain, and it got to the point where she became weak, fatigued. I'm like, oh, I'm pretty sure if anybody does some blood work, she's likely anemic, because that's what I see right off the top here. The bleeding eventually stopped, but was replaced with labor-like pains. So now, changing condition. So she went from bleeding a lot to now she's having extreme amount labor-like pains.